need the strong will of a warrior to pull the woolly mammoth out of an empty room.
Welcome, kid, to Cooking with Jasper. We'll be making all kinds of culinary confunctuous art. This is my sidekick, Gunther. Say hello to the kids, Gunther.
Hi, I'm Gunther. I'm feeling sexy today.
Our first order today, we need to decide what we want to do. Bake, fry, broil, something else. What do you think?
I think that we need to use various parts of the food pyramid, such as 2 to 3 servings of oil and fat, maybe 6 days for servings of vegetables, and maybe with some sweet juice of fruit. It's me.
You bring up valid point, Gunther. But that's a German name, so fuck off. I need my monk slave to help me decide. I'll go get him.
Here's your whip.
Come on, monk slave. I need your cooking expertise. Alright, monk slave. Let's see if that $2 was worth for your enslavement. What do you think we should cook? No! We'll make a special soup called Jasper soup. Ooh, I want this and this. Oh, this too. Oh, it's gonna be so good. Oh, cream of tartar. Hey, Muffin, what a treat. Oh, it's been a good flame. Haven't reported what's been free. Oh, have you had it? Yes, you have it. To the trick. No, dancing! Dancing shows joy. You aren't allowed to have joy because you're a Buddhist. Know what time it is, kid?
Here, you could use this paint for food.
Hey, Gunther! Now that the water's simmering, I need to chop some spices. I need a knife. Oh Lord, that was from last night with the monk's lady. Son of a bitch was supposed to click. Okay, kid. Time to do some shopping. Ooh, poker. I think it needs a little lemon pepper. Come on, buddy. Come out. Oh, well, some crushed red pepper. Oh, crap. Some pickle and spice. And, oops. I didn't mean to use my special spice. I bought some a guy named Jose down on 9th Street. Anyway, time to chop it into a fine paste. It's so beautiful. I gotta make my broth. Broth is made. Time to put in the chunky stuff, like that Mama McNabb stuff. You're right. Salt is makes everything good. Yeah, no matter what you do, you just never have enough. I think we need to mix it together with my blender. Let me just turn it on.
Come on, Jasper. I'll be careful with those things. Are you okay?
I think I got a little paper cut. I better bandage it up. now that all that unpleasant business with the hand is done, it was your fault, wasn't it? You dirty bastard! I use my hand for everything. That was my pointing hand.
Hey, now you gotta try your product. Hey, Monday.
Okay.
Shut up.
Great Jiminy Grandma, that's magically delicious. All the way from Jasper Studios. That was Cooking with Jasper. I hope our ratings go up. I'm gonna have to sleep in the YMCA again. What was that about?